Welcome! Let's get your new BuzzTV P6 up and running. Connecting your P6. First, connect the HDMI cable to the back of your P6 and then to your TV. The P6 must be connected directly to your TV. Please make sure to use the HDMI cable included with your P6. This cable is a HDMI 2.1 and will allow for the best connectivity between your TV and P6. Next, connect the power cable to the back of your P6 and then plug it into a power outlet. Pairing your remote. Now insert the included batteries into the BT500 remote and turn on both your P6 and TV. Your P6 will automatically start the pairing process. To complete it, press and hold the Home and OK buttons on your remote simultaneously for 3 to 4 seconds until the remote's LED light starts blinking red. This puts your remote into pairing mode. Your P6 will then automatically connect to the remote. Initial setup. Once paired, you'll be guided through the initial setup process. Start by selecting your preferred language. Then, choose your correct time zone. Next, adjust the screen size using the on-screen zoom in and zoom out buttons. The blue indicators should align with the corners of your TV screen. Once satisfied, press OK. Network connection. Now, decide whether to connect your P6 to the internet using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. For an Ethernet connection, plug the cable into the P6 now. For Wi-Fi, follow the on-screen instructions to select your network and enter your password. Software update. Your P6 will likely prompt you to install a software update. This is recommended to ensure optimal performance. Completion. Once the software update is complete, you'll be taken to the home screen. Your P6 is now ready to use. Thanks for watching.